So I'm part of the media team, and if I'm being an interviewer, I have to look classy, beautiful, gorgeous. So I have to take care of my body, my skin, everything. Hello everyone, so I'm going to do my eyelashes. Yep, this be before my lashes, and I'll come after it. Guys, I don't know where this place is, so I'm supposed to do the nails stuff here. Sorry, not nails. I'm supposed to fix my eyelashes. This is Lelina in Cooks, and I'm doing the eyelashes here at this plaza. You can see it's a Moskovitnik. Yeah, Moskovitnik. So we have magnets up there, and we're going to go through this door. So they sent me the direction, but I hope I find the salon. So let's go together, guys. Meanwhile, this is me here trying to, this is before my lashes. I'm having SFC soon, so these few days before SFC, 3 days. So I'm going to go and do my eyelashes. There to be a bit of self-care because SFC is a very, very big program, and I have a lot of responsibility as a leader and a worker and all. So I'm part of the media team, and if I'm being an interviewer, I have to look classy, beautiful, gorgeous. So I have to take care of my body, my skin, everything in total. So I'm going to be fixing my lashes, my eyelashes, and then I'm going to fix my nails by God's grace. Maybe fake nails, but fix my nails like daily things. And I'm going for a full body massage. I have not found yet, but I would like to do a body massage, or I use the machine that uses coins, because I have body pains from the previous program we went to at Moscow. So I want a massage before the stress. Let me tell you guys something. SFC is not for the weak. Actually, if you're a worker and you're involved, it's very, very stressful. So yeah, that's it. Let's go. I am literally 3 minutes time. I want to the bar rush hands, they like schedules. So if I miss the schedule time, they may end up doing for another client. So you have to book them in advance. Going through the staircase to find the place. Oh no, I think this is the place. Not mistaken. So guys, I've met the eyelashes technician to do the lashes, and yeah, this is good. Toilet. Wow. Это красивая. Хорошо. Если нужно в туалет, можно туда выйти и пройти. Okay. So guys, as you can see, this place is so pretty. Wow. So pretty. Guys, I'm at the toilet, so pretty. I have to use the toilet before doing my lashes. Yeah.
Да, нужно все волосы, да? Ну, потому что я буду тут вот руками, как бы волосы не выбивать. Да, хотя бы вот так. Сюда. Да. Теперь поближе конец. Then please, what you want? I don't know. Первое. У вас eyes good, big, right. What's right? Привет. I recommend you. Was nice. И по поводу CLM. Да, я просто сейчас не покажу, что вам. Это 3D. Это классик. Это one lashes. А 3D это three lashes, one lashes. Из lashes. Да. И по поводу вот здесь C, это обычно natural lashes. D это подкрученные такой lashes. L это попробуйте you try A 3D and then do сравнительно и compare. We can do that. Это natural, то есть 3D, но natural ваши lashes, lashes. Это как бы real. Давайте тогда сделаем C, natural lashes и 3D. Later you compare. В любом случае, первый раз это всегда да, и C, и D, и L, and M was right.
Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep.
This is the first time I literally went to a professional to do my lashes. Right from time my friends actually helped me to do it, So I've never spent 3 hours of my life doing lashes, but I just wanted to try so I can make a vlog from it. And I've never posted something like this on my channel. So yeah, self-care day, I decided to do these lashes and it was affordable. 3 hours, guys, and I was shaking on that table because I was like, girl, release me, but it went well.
Time and time again, I'll go back to my reality. Foolish, I know, but you always keep a figment of my mind, guiding me back ashore in my darkest days. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't even know what I should have let go. Thought I knew the way and I knew it for sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I will be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead, I'll sing this song. Paint every star with a movie scene. My heart is yours to keep. Color it down with a song to keep. Please don't let me leave. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I will be
Такая красивая вообще.
Да, мне тоже нравится. Хорошо.
turn to see all your beauty
If I'm done, I'm like, okay.
Давайте.
Yo, guys, it's this people. Guys, 3 hours. You. Guys, the thing is-
I try to say that. Делать пауз, можно туалет, эти стрейт, там, да. Потому что не все могут.
If there is one thing I love about what God did to my body, is the fact that any little thing can change me. Because how pretty I look. God, my lashes, so pretty, and I love it. I love it, guys. Just look at, I literally changed. Yeah, guys, we're heading home. To go prepare for camp. Yeah.
Проверка завершена. Проверяйте вещи под камерой. Проверяйте вещи под камерой.
Так, подходите ко мне сюда, я здесь вам выдам. Раз, два, три, 4, и ваши 5.